Hey guys, today we're gonna be cleaning these gutters on this house and we'll show you how. So we have a combo, it's about 10 feet, 24 foot and a 32 foot, and they all have adjustable ladder legs for all these uneven surfaces. Feet set. We're all the way up against the neighbor's house, so it's not going to shimmy. Alright, so Ace is gonna go up, and once I can, I'm gonna grab here. Actually, grab up here and pull towards me, putting weight up against the gutter. I'm also gonna make sure that the ladder doesn't shift left or right. So this stick here extends 1,000,000 feet. Has this puller and a poker to go underneath the nails that hold the gutter against the roof. So I'll send that up. Yeah, I get all my printing done there. I hold it. I just gotta climb around, so it might shift to this side. Wait, okay. Oh, I got this in hand. It's all flowing good, all clear. Nice. Let's pick these out here. Thank you. I'll grab as much as I can from here. I'll even push some over there. Let's see, just gotta keep that centered or it won't pull properly. Should be good there, right? Yeah. Make sure that's on. I'm gonna pull it back because it's too upright. Pull it back. You see how that foot's hanging? I'm gonna step that foot down. Now we have a nice, straight, solid base. Always keeping 3 points of contact, both feet, one arm. Staying close to the ladder. Chest up against it. You never want to lean back. Alright, so now Ace is gonna pour some water down the downspout. As you can see, it's flowing nicely. Now you can see the water isn't pooled anymore and it's all flushed out. These are some pretty versatile gloves I use for winter driving, cleaning my car in the winter. I also use them for carrying the ladders because they get pretty cold. And you can also clean gutters with them because they're waterproof. Move this over around the back. This one here is a little tricky, or pretty tricky, because these first floor gutters are in the way. So we're basically going to have the 30-foot run from up there over these ones and try not to have the ladder bow and hit it. So come from here all the way down to probably here. So as you can see, there's a clog here. So what we're gonna have to do is dismantle this, or sometimes you can just, while there's water in there, sounds better. All right, so we're gonna flush it one more time. As you can see, the leaves have fallen lower. Oh, it's gonna be really heavy. Put it in.
Oh.
Yeah.
There.
All right, I gotta use 2 hands for this. Hold it still.
Yeah.
So we started off today with these gutters all around the house. We just finished doing this house, which is a replica of the house down there. And we just started this house right here.